which you I'll bring this up. I think they have kept it. So the picture will not be there, but remember you saw that spinal cord model? So that model will be there, not the picture. Alright, so that model and this picture will be there. This one. So what could be asked? Like what are these nerves? How many radial nerves come out of spinal nerves comes out of this particular area? Two types of questions can be asked. Like what is this? This is a cervical enlargement, lumbar enlargement, and what are the various parts of the spinal cord, right? Another thing is that this the plexus. Plexus is it's the same picture. Here, it's a, let's go ahead. That goes to the exercise number 8. So, but from this particular exercise, this picture will be there. The various parts of the spinal cord. Alright? So, from exercise number 17, this picture and the model of the spinal cord will be there. So, what anyone can ask you? What are the various parts? Anterior gray horn, posterior gray horn, lateral gray horn, columns, all that stuff, right? What are the various parts? Then coming to exercise number 18. This one, this picture. Remember that muscle thing? This picture. Epineuриum, perineurium, endoneurium, blah blah stuff. So this picture will be there. And this one. What are the various plexus? Right? It's like the same picture. So this enlargement is a cervical enlargement, lumbar enlargement. This is the cervical plexus, brachial plexus, lumbar plexus, the sacral plexus. What you need to know is that first of all, what are the plexus? Which spinal nerves form these plexus? Like C1 to C5 form the cervical plexus, C5 to C1 form the brachial plexus. And which major nerve comes out of that plexus? Remember one. Alright? Remember any nerve which comes out of that plexus. Like the major, the spinal nerve that comes out of the cervical plexus is the brachial. The brachial plexus, you can ask anything like the radial nerve, ulnar nerve, medial nerve, axillary nerve, so all that. Right? So from exercise number 18, this picture will be there for sure. But the questions will be like which spinal nerves form that particular plexus and that model. Remember that man model? So the identification of the nerves. So this model will be there. So the pointer will be there and you need to identify whether it's a radial nerve, ulnar nerve, axillary nerve or something. So it's only those nerves which we have covered in the tab that will be asked. So this model will be there. Not the identification is not from these pictures. Alright. So summarizing from exercise 18, this particular picture. So
we're not studying what all papers, but it's
this particular picture will be there. What are the various parts? This particular picture will be there, in which the pointers will be there. What is this plexus? Write the name of the plexus marked by A. It's a cervical plexus. Second question, write the name of a major spinal nerve which comes out of that plexus. Or which spinal nerves form this plexus? So you can write C1 to C1 or C5 to T1. But if it is like which major nerve comes out of that, write the name of one spinal nerve that comes out of this plexus. So from the cervical plexus, you will write the phrenic nerve. From the brachial plexus, you will write the radial nerve or ulnar nerve, whatever. But then these major identifications. Remember this pictures onwards where they have shown you various nerves which are coming out of the cervical plexus, brachial plexus, lumbar or sacral plexus. These pictures will not be there. This model will be there. Alright? Clear? This model will be there just for the identification of the spinal nerves, not on that picture. So only two pictures from that. So for the students who have not, who just prepared, I'm 16, 17, 18, quickly. 16, please focus on this picture. Know what are the various connections, exonic. This is 264, exercise number 16. It's exoexonic, exosomatic, exodendritic, then what are the various parts of the axons, right? This cell body, dendrites, axon, Schwann cell, blah blah. So that is this picture only from exercise number 16. Alright, from 17, which is the structure of the spinal cord, you will have a model of the spinal cord. I'll get the model. Oh, I think it's okay. Instead of that picture, this model will be there. So you should know various parts of the spinal cord. Alright, all these parts. So this will help you like what dura mater, via mater, all the various which we have covered on this model. So that model will be there from the exercise 17 and this picture will be there. So you need to know, like for example, what is this? Conus medullaris. What is this? Coda equina. What is this? Phylum Cerebellum. So all this. That is 17.2. I'm just repeating for the students who came late. It's exercise number 17. Alright. So what is this enlargement? Cervical enlargement, lumbar enlargement. Where this cervical enlargement is located? C3 to T1. Where is the lumbar enlargement? T9 to T12. Between T9 to T12. So you need to remember all this. So this picture will be there and this kind of questions will be asked. And that model. That's it. From exercise number 17. Any questions? No? Exercise 18 we have already covered. That you will have this picture. Epinurium, perinurium, endothelium. Alright, so this picture will be there and this picture will be there. So you need to remember these plexus, which spinal nerves form a particular plexus and which major nerve comes out of that plexus. Besides that, you will have this model for the identification of the spinal nerves. Alright, so with this we are done with the spinal cord thing. Exercise 16, 17 and 18. Coming to the brain, which is exercise number 20. The structure of the brain. No picture will be there. I'm not saying no, but majority the models will be there. The brain model. So you need to know basically how to say that everything. Not everything technically, but like this one. For example, what is this lobe? Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. What is this? Cerebrum. What is this? Cerebellum. Right? So when you open this model, and this model will be open like this. Alright? So, what is this? Spinal cord. What is this? Medulla oblongata. What is this? Pons. What is this? Midbrain. Then what is this? Corpus callosum. This is cortex. What is this pineal gland? So you have please go through all this model which we have already covered. So this is how the questions will be asked, right from the brain. I mean, rather than me going over every picture, just think about it that this is how we cover the brain and this will be there. Alright. So this from the structure of the brain, you will see these models at various stations. Like these one, superior colliculi, inferior colliculi. Certainly the questions like what is the role of that, everything will be in the lecture exam. Alright. Besides this brain model, you will have this picture. The only picture that comes from this is the functional areas in the cortex. Like what is this? Number one, that is the Broca's speech area. What is this? That is Wernicke's area, right? This one. Or what is this? The major zone of vision. That's the occipital lobe. So please go through this picture. This is the only picture that will be there in the exam from this particular exercise. Besides models at all the stations, right? The various parts. Then you will have these ventricles. Remember we went over the ventricles which does handle cerebrospinal fluid circulates. These are the lateral ventricles. These are the lateral ventricles, third ventricle, fourth ventricle. Right? Between them, this is called interventricular septum, and this is a cerebral ectoderm. Alright. So this picture will not be there, but this model will be there. It's exactly the same model. If you just look at it. Exactly the same model. So this model will be at all the stations. So what this will help you. So this model, and this picture. And this picture. This one. Alright. So this is from exercise number 100. From cranial nerve, which is 21st, you will see focus on this picture. Remember, which is a review of knowledge part. So this picture will be there. What questions anyone can ask you? Write the name of this now. So you should not write. You know how to calculate, right? So this thing, this triple, this 5 thing, is cranial nerve number 5. So it will be like for you to quickly calculate. This is like a landmark. This is a fifth cranial nerve. So if it is something below ear or ear, so you can count backwards like 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? Or if it is here, it is like 6. So this will be your landmark. Don't write cranial nerve number 5 or 6 or 7. You have to write the name of the cranial nerve. Alright? So with any question that can be asked is that write the name of this particular cranial nerve. So you will write it's a olfactory. Or what is this? Trigeminal nerve. Alright? Another question that can be asked will be whether it's a sensory nerve, mixed nerve, or the motor nerve. So remember we had this mnemonic which we made. So just go through it, and if you just practice this picture, that will take care of both the lecture exam and the lab. Because that's the only thing anyone can ask you from the on the cranial nerves of this. Besides, like which is the smallest nerve, let's for the picture. Like which is the smallest nerve? Trochlear nerve. Which is the largest nerve? Right. So it's like that. That is exercise number 21. Chapter 24. Yeah. That's the same class. And then the 24th is two special senses. Remember we covered the eye and the ear. Eye, you will have a lot of pictures besides that model of the eye, right? The pictures will be like this one, this particular picture. Now let's develop it is what is this? Lacrimal gland, lacrimal duct, lacrimal canals, nasolacrimal sacs, together. Then this picture, the structure of the eyeball. Expect to see this picture definitely, and this picture, the cavities. All right. It will be there, but it's on the model. So this particular picture. Alright. So from this special senses from the eye, which comes with this picture. This is figure 24.8. The anatomy of retina. Figure 24.4. 24.8. And then we will have this model of the eye. So, the same thing. What is this? Let's go. What points will be here? Like, what is the white part of the eye? Sclera, right? What is this? Cornea. Alright. What is this muscle? Like this. Superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial or lateral. Alright. Or what is this? There is another muscle here. You can see. Can you see that? This muscle. That's the oblique. Superior oblique. And then the here there is an inferior oblique. Alright. So the questions will be here. Superior rectus. Which cranial nerve innervates the system? Alright. So you remember that formula? LR6SO4. LR6SO4. That means lateral rectus muscle is innervated by cranial nerve number 6. Superior oblique is innervated by cranial nerve number 4. Rest all the muscles are innervated by cranial nerve number 3. And what is cranial nerve number 3? So what is 4? 6? It's the abducens nerve. And this is 4 is a trochlear nerve. So you should write trochlear,
Okay.
abducens, and this is the oculomotor. Right. So this is how the question will be asked. If this is superior oblique, here write the the name of the muscle? That is a superior oblique. Which cranial nerve innervates this muscle? Cranial nerve number 4, trochlear. Trochlear nerve. Then, as usual, we'll open this model. So the white part of the eye is the sclera. Then this model will be kept like this. What is this? Cornea. What is this? Iris. What is this? Pupil. If you open it like this, what is this? Lens. Then this is the posterior chamber, the vitreous chamber. What is this here? Pink one, retina. This pinky thing, oroserata. Then what is this? Central fovea. What is this? Optic disc, which is the blind spot. Alright? Optic disc is this area through which the retinal arteries or the veins exit and the optical nerve exit. So there are no rods in the cones. Got it? So this is how this model will be covered.
Pleasure.
What is this? You can write either the optic nerve or optic disc, whatever. Basically, it's an optic nerve which is coming out of the eye. And this model will be there. That's it for the eye. Any questions regarding the eye part? Then coming to the ear, because in the special senses we covered eye and the ear. So, here you will have this model. Remember that our ear model? No picture will be here, only the model will be here. So this is the model is an exact copy of this picture. So please know all parts of the model. This is like the external ear, middle ear, and the internal ear. So the pointer is here, malleus, incus, stapes. What is this? External auditory canal. What is this? Eustachian tube. What is this? Auricle. This is the helix. This is the pinna. What we call it as lobule. We call it as pinna also. Then this part. What is this? Cochlea. Then you have these semicircular canal. Anterior, posterior, lateral semicircular canal. Then this is the vestibulocochlear nerve. Alright, cranial nerve number 8, which innervates the cochlea as well as the vestibule. So this picture will help you to know the various parts. So use this picture to know the things, but no picture will be there. It's just the model will be there. Alright, that one model is there. That will be. I think with this we are done. So please spend as much time as you